Welcome to another Two Spanners tutorial. Thanks for tuning in again. Today we're removing a Nissan Juke rear light. Tools you're going to need is either a plastic spreader, a bank card or something similar, trim tool and just a 10mm on a socket. First off, you just want to peel back this bit of trim. I don't know if you can see that. Just inside there is the plug. We're just going to unclip that quickly and then I'll be back. Next we're just going to remove this 10mm bolt. Then you want to place your spreader or bank card just around about there, as it's got two plastic locating lugs which, when you haven't removed the light for the first time, are very stiff. Remove this little grommet, pull your wiring loom out and you're done. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.